Y'all, look at the spider. Oh my goodness. I came here to close down the window and this spider is right up there. Ugh. Whew. Y'all, I am almost done with clearing up all my junk. I don't know. I have this habit of calling my stuff junk, and it's not junk. I've spent lots of money on it. I love it. So I need to stop doing that. But, yep. I've cleared up a bunch of stuff. I had like 3 bags of garbage. Okay. So, I need to just close down these windows. Yeah. Anyway, time to go finish. Driving with Mr. Daisy. Y'all know the movie Driving with Miss Daisy? This is Driving with Mr. Daisy.
Mr. Crazy?
Lord,
No.
Coconuts.
Driving Miss Lazy?
Say Driving Miss Lazy. That must be me. Y'all, I have my mask on. Let me take this
Yeah, please.
off while driving. I don't need it while driving. Now we're going for some food. I just came from my classroom, everyone. And boy, that was a lot of work. That was a lot of work. Okay, it's going for maybe 12 o'clock. And I am up doing some stuff. I got this as a end of school gift. I think it's so cool. It's like a water container. I just love personalized gifts. So cool. I think everybody is in love with their own name, right? But I secretly wish my name was shorter because every time I sign, it takes up so much space. I love this. And then I got this. It's a glass. And this. So cute. So cute. So those are some personalized gifts. But I want to mention this thing right here. This is like a scent diffuser from Glade, and it lights up when the product is coming out. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is one of the best things I ever could have buy from Amazon, guys. I so love this. Oh my goodness, and it smells so good. Like it comes with, you have to put batteries in it, and it has different levels. You go high or low. But I love this product from Amazon. It's from Glade. I love it. I love it. Anyway, good night, everyone. Or good morning, whatever part of the world you are from right now. I hope you have a wonderful day or a good night's rest. Bye.